Got a leaking pipe? Turn off the water supply and make sure the outside of the pipe is dry before attempting repairs. Pipe wrap tape is best for small leaks or leaks at a pipe joint. Epoxy putty is a two-part compound best for emergency repairs. Pipe repair cast is a combination of repair putty and pipe wrap that creates a temporary patch. Pipe repair clamps are metal band and rubber gaskets best for stopping minor leaks along the length of a pipe. Slip repair coupling is best for repairing copper or PVC pipes. Allows you to cut away leaking section of pipe and reconnect the undamaged segments. Turn the water supply back on and check your repair, and contact a licensed plumber to make permanent repairs.